Welcome to my channel. In this video, you know the exchange rate of UK pound, US dollar, Saudi riyal, and Pakistan rupees in more than 40 currencies. So let's start today amazing video.
Rate in more than 40 currencies. 1 UAE dirham equal to 0.22 pounds sterling. 1 Chinese yuan equal to 0.11 pounds. 1 Saudi riyal equal to 0.22 pounds sterling. 1 euro equal to 0.85 pounds sterling. 1 US dollar equal to 0.81 pounds sterling. 1 Canadian dollar equal to 0.56 pounds sterling. 1 Omani Riyal equal to 2.11 pounds sterling. 1 Kuwaiti dinar equal to 2.64 UK pound. 1 Bahraini dinar equal to 2.16 UK pound. 1 Iraqi dinar equal to 0.0062 pound sterling. 1 New Zealand dollar equal to 0.46 pound. 1 Malaysian ringgit equal to 0.18 pound sterling. 1 Norwegian krone equal to 0.072 pound sterling. 1 Japanese yen equal to 0.0053 pound sterling. 1 Hong Kong dollar equal to 0.10 pound sterling. 1 Swiss franc equal to 0.90 pound. 1 Australian dollar equal to 0.51 pound sterling. 1 Thai baht equal to 0.024 pound sterling. 1 Danish krone equal to 0.11 pound sterling. 1 Singapore dollar equal to 0.60 pound sterling. 1 Swedish krona equal to 0.073 pound sterling. 1 Bangladeshi tikka equal to 0.0067 pound sterling. 1 Afghani equal to 0.011 pound sterling. 1 Brazilian real equal to 0.13 pound sterling. 1 Egyptian pound equal to 0.016 pound sterling. 1 Turkish lira equal to 0.023 pound sterling. 1 Israeli US shekel equal to 0.23 pound sterling. 1 10 rupees equal to 0.0095 pound sterling. 1 Indonesian rupee equal to 0.0050 pound sterling. 1 Fijian dollar equal to 0.35 pound sterling. 1 Iranian rial equal to 0.000019 pound sterling. 1 Jordan dinar equal to 1.15 pound sterling. 1 Kazakhstan tenge equal to 0.0015 pound sterling. 1 Chinese pound equal to 0.0091 pound sterling. 1 Kazakhstan som equal to 0.0094 pound sterling. 1 Latvian lats equal to 1.34 pound sterling. 1 South Korean won equal to 0.0056 pound sterling. 1 North Korean won equal to 0.0090 pound sterling. 1 Mexican peso equal to 0.040 pound sterling. 1 Nepalese rupee equal to 0.0059 pound sterling. 1 Qatari riyal equal to 0.22 pound sterling. 1 South African rand equal to 0.044 pound sterling. 1 New Taiwan dollar equal to 0.025 pound sterling. 1 Turkmenistan baht equal to 0.23 pound sterling. 1 Sri Lankan rupee equal to 0.0028 pound sterling. 1 CFA franc equal to 0.0013 pound sterling. 1 Russian ruble equal to 0.008080 pound sterling. 1 Ukraine hryvnia equal to 0.019 pound sterling. Riyal equal to 0.0033 pounds.
More than 40 currency rate in Pakistani rupees. 1 Canadian dollar equal to 196.55 Pakistani rupees. 1 Turkish lira equal to 7.93 Pakistani rupees. 1 euro equal to 290.59 Pakistani rupees. 1 New Zealand dollar equal to 161.15 Pakistani rupees. 1 pound sterling equal to 354.83 Pakistani rupees. 1 Saudi riyal equal to 74.02 Pakistani rupees. 1 Egyptian pound equal to 5.49 Pakistani rupees. 1 Kuwaiti dinar equal to 904.26 Pakistani rupees. UAE dirham equal to 75.73 Pakistani rupees. 1 Omani riyal equal to 722.48 Pakistani rupees. 1 Bahraini dinar equal to 737.63 Pakistani rupees. 1 Swiss franc equal to 310.41 Pakistani rupees. 1 Japanese yen equal to 1. equal to 3.20 Pakistani rupee. 1 Latvian lates equal to 409.78 Pakistani rupee. 1 North Korean won equal to 0.3089 Pakistani rupee. 1 South Korean won equal to 0.19 Pakistani rupee. 1 Mexican peso equal to 13.86 Pakistani rupee. 1 Russian ruble equal to 2.70 Pakistani rupee. 1 Azerbaijani manat equal to 163.68 Pakistani rupee. Pakistani manat equal to 79.40 Pakistani rupee. 1 Australian dollar equal to 77.28 Pakistani rupee. Qatari Riyal equal to 76.38 Pakistani rupee. 1 South African rand equal to 15. Let's trade dollar rate today in more than 50 currencies. 1 UAE dirham equal to 0.27 United States dollars. 1 Chinese yuan equal to 0.14 United States dollars. 1 Saudi Riyal equal to 0.27 United States dollars. 1 euro equal to 1.04 United States dollars. 1 pound sterling equal to 1.26 United States dollar. 1 Canadian dollar equal to 0.69 United States dollar. 1 money real equal to 2.60 United States dollar. 1 Kuwaiti dinar equal to 3.24 United States dollar. 1 Bahraini dinar equal to 2.65 United States dollar. Iraqi dinar equal to 0.0076 United States dollar. 1 New Zealand dollar equal to 0.56 United States dollar. 1 Malaysian ringgit equal to 0.22 United States dollar. 1 Norwegian krone equal to 0.089 United States dollar. 1 Japanese yen equal to 0.0067 United States dollar. 1 Hong Kong dollar equal to 0.13 United States dollar. 1 Swiss franc equal to 1.11 United States dollar. 1 Australian dollar equal to 0.62 United States dollar. 1 Thai baht equal to 0.029 United States dollar. 1 Danish krone equal to 0.14 United States dollar. Singapore dollar equal to 0.74 United States dollar. 1 Swedish krona equal to 0.093 United States dollar. 1 Bangladeshi tikka equal to 0.0082 United States dollar. 1 Afghani equal to 0.014 United States dollar. 1 Brazil real equal to 0.169 United States dollar. 1 Egyptian pound equal to 0.020 United States dollar. 1 Turkish lira equal to 0.027 United States dollar. 1 Israel new shekel equal to 0.28 United States dollar. 1 Indian rupees equal to 0.011 United States dollar. 1 Indonesian rupee equal to 0.00006 United States dollar. 1 Fijian dollar equal to 0.43 United States dollar. 1 Iranian rial equal to 0.000024 United States dollar. 1 Jordan dinar equal to 1.41 United States dollar. 1 Kazakhstan tenge equal to 0.0020. 1 Lebanese pound equal to 0.000011 United States dollar. Pakistani somi equal to 0.011 United States dollar. 1 Latvian lates equal to 0.0091 United States dollar. North Korean won equal to 0.0091 United States dollar. 1 Mexico peso equal to 0.049 United States dollar. 1 Nepalese rupee equal to 0.0073 United States dollar. 1 Qatari Riyal equal to 0.28 United States dollar. 1 South African rand equal to 0.054 United States dollar. 1 New Taiwan dollar equal to 0.030. Turkmenistan manat equal to 0.28 United States dollar. 1 Sri Lankan rupee equal to 0.0034 United States dollar. 1 West African CFA franc equal to 0.0016 United States dollar. 1 1 Russian ruble equal to 0.0095 United States dollar. In Harnia equal to 0.24 United States dollar. Riyal equal to 0.0040.
Saudi Riyal rate in more than 40 currencies. 1 UAE dirham equal to 1.02 Saudi Riyal. 1 Chinese yuan equal to 0.51 Saudi Riyal. 1 pound sterling equal to 4.71 Saudi Riyal. 1 euro equal to 3.91 Saudi Riyal. 1 US dollar equal to 3.76 Saudi Riyal. 1 Canadian dollar equal to 2.61 Saudi Riyal. 1 Omani Riyal equal to 9.76 Saudi Riyal. 1 Kuwaiti dinar equal to 12.19 Saudi Riyal. 1 Bahraini dinar equal to 9.96 Saudi Riyal. 1 Iraqi dinar equal to 0.0029 Saudi Riyal. 1 New Zealand dollar equal to 2.13 Saudi Riyal. 1 Malaysian ringgit equal to 0.8408 Saudi Riyal. Norwegian krone equal to 0.33 Saudi Riyal. 1 Japanese yen equal to 0.024 Saudi Riyal. 1 Hong Kong dollar equal to 0.48 Saudi Riyal. 1 Swiss franc equal to 4.16 Saudi Riyal. 1 Australian dollar equal to 2.34 Saudi Riyal. 1 Thai baht equal to 0.11 Saudi Riyal. 1 Danish krone equal to 0.53 Saudi Riyal. 1 Singapore dollar equal to 2.77 Saudi Riyal. 1 Swedish krona equal to 0.34 Saudi Riyal. 1 Bangladeshi tikka equal to 0.031 Saudi Riyal. 1 Afghani equal to 0.053 Saudi Riyal. 1 Brazilian real equal to 0.600 Saudi Riyal. 1 Egyptian pound equal to 0.074 Saudi Riyal. 1 Turkish lira equal to 0.11 Saudi Riyal. 1 Israeli shekel equal to 1.03 Saudi Riyal. Indian rupee equal to 0.044 Saudi Riyal. Indonesian rupiah equal to 0.0023 Saudi Riyal. 1 Fijian dollar equal to 1.62 Saudi Riyal. 1 Iranian rial equal to 0.000089 Saudi Riyal. 1 Jordan dinar equal to 5.30 Saudi Riyal. 1 Kazakhstan tenge equal to 0.0073. Lebanese pound equal to 0.00042 Saudi Riyal. 1 Kazakhstan som equal to 0.043 Saudi Riyal. 1 Lithuanian lats equal to 5.54 Saudi Riyal. 1 South Korean won equal to 0.0026 Saudi Riyal. 1 North Korean won equal to 0.0041 Saudi Riyal. 1 Mexican peso equal to 0.18 Saudi Riyal. 1 Nepalese rupee equal to 0.027 Saudi Riyal. 1 Qatari Riyal equal to 1.03 Saudi Riyal. 1 South African rand equal to 0.20 Saudi Riyal. 1 new Taiwan dollar equal to 0.11 Saudi Riyal. 1 Turkmenistan manat equal to 1.07 Saudi Riyal. 1 Sri Lankan rupee equal to 0.013 Saudi Riyal. 1 CFA franc equal to 0.0060 Saudi Riyal. 1 Russian ruble equal to 0.035 Saudi Riyal. 1 Ukraine hryvnia equal to 0.089 Saudi Riyal.